So I just wanted to show the quality of my wigs. This is a real wig. This is not a created wig. I colored this piece about a month ago, and it's been shampooed twice. This is the wig molded with no product. It is a human hair wig. It will last. It can come in any color you would like it to come in. This piece will last as long as you take care of it. The hair is really, really good quality. This is the wig being just molded and sat under the dryer. I'm gonna add some oil to it. And put a few curls on it just to show how easily it can be styled. Now it has a really good cut in it, so it can actually be left with the mold and finger styled. But I'm just gonna put a couple of curls in it with the flat irons just to show the versatility of this piece. It's very easy to maintain. It can be worn every day. It's on a very sturdy cap. Or it can be put in the wig stash and just pulled out whenever you want. It's ready to wear right out of the box. I just put just a few light bends in it. Because that's all it really, really needs. And then you can kind of like finger style it to the way you would like for it to be. I'm just putting literally a few like random bends. You don't need to do it in a particular manner. Just make sure that you do not bend the hair really, really tight, because it's going to create a tight curl, and more than likely it's a wig. So once you curl that piece tight, it's more than likely just going to stay tight until you either shampoo it again, or you're going to have to press it really, really hard and probably use like a holding spray or a spritz or something to get those bends out. I like a really, really faint bend in my piece, and just to finger style it. So really quick, this is an amazing piece and can be worn day or night. Short hair is always in. I get many, many compliments when I wear this wig. People love the color and they definitely love the cut. When you're curling a short piece, do not grab big sections of the hair, because if you do, it's going to create a tight bend in that one section, and it's going to look kind of weird. You're going to have a hard time getting those tight curls out if you grab a large section. I pride my wigs on being ready to wear as soon as you receive them. You may have to trim around the ear or clean up your sides, but for the most part, Okay, so this is the finished product after finger styling. You can rake it out into multiple styles or feather it out however you would like. Or you can wear it more straight. You can wear it straight down. But I usually like mine's messy and coming to a point in the front. I'll add pictures just so you can see what it looks like being worn. It's super lightweight. And super, super cute. No one will ever know that it's a wig.